This guide will walk you through the process of creating a new preset on the Machine Dynamic Status Report in Nayax Core. Using the instructions provided, you can customize your report, access the desired data, and handle your business more efficiently. Click on Operations. Select Machine Dynamic Status from the drop-down menu. To obtain the desired reports, enter the required information. Next, click on Show Reports. To create a new preset on the Machine Status Report, click on Add tab. Tick the boxes on the field you want to add to this preset. Type a name for your preset in the pop-up window. Use the search box to locate fields, regardless of the category you are currently viewing. Drag and drop your selected fields to be in this preset. When you are done, save the preset by clicking on Save. By clicking on the Actions button, you can take action for the reports. For example, to schedule a report and send it via email address. By clicking on the Export button, you can export the reports to a PDF or as an Excel file and save it on your device. In this guide, you learned how to create a new preset on the Machine Dynamic Status Report in Nayax Core. By following the step-by-step instructions, you were able to customize the report and access the specific data you needed. For more videos, check out our YouTube page. Thanks for watching.